Hello children. Yes, now we are going to have a revision session, okay, on the first video that we saw, the first lesson. You remember the fun they had, written by Isaac Asimov. Okay, now I'm going to start with the summary of the lesson. That is, the story begins like this. Margie is writing in her diary about an old book that Tommy had found. Margie was reminded of her grandfather. He spoke about the schools where the students were taught by human teachers. But Margie and Tommy lived in the future world. That is when? In the year 2157, where education was completely computerized. See, there are the schools of the future given over here. Learning through computers, virtual classroom, robotic teachers, moving e-text, isn't it? So they did not, those days the present days they did not go to school. Instead they had a special room where computers taught them, okay? And the computer teacher was programmed and adjusted according to the needs of the child. Sometimes, this computer teacher also developed faults which was fixed by whom? By the county inspector. You remember Margie's mother had called for the county inspector? Yes, so the county inspector fixed the repairs or whatever problem the computer had. Both Tommy and Margie, they wondered at the book found by Tommy in the attic. So why did they wonder? They wondered because these books, they read on the screen of the computer teacher, but these books had letters which was just standing. It did not move, but their computer's screen actually moved. So Margie felt that the computer teacher was boring. She disliked the mechanical teaching and learning. She also wondered how much of fun that her ancestors had studying in a school. So studying is a fun way with other children, and that too from a human teacher. So this is the summary of the lesson that I have given you. So let's go on to the next one. That is, answer these questions. I'm going to just start like this. Answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences also. So let's go on to the question and answers. How old are Margie and Tommy children? Margie is a girl of 11 years of age, while Tommy is a boy of 13. Okay, what did Margie write in her diary? What did she write? Margie wrote that day Tommy had found a real book in the attic of his house, and it was an old book with yellow crinkly pages. Yes or no? Yes. So these are just couple of sentences that you're writing. And see, the third one is, had Margie ever seen a book before? No, Margie had not seen a book before, the one found by Tommy. What things about the book did she find strange? What are the things that she found was strange? She found it strange that the words on the printed book did not move. Very good. Now the next is, fifth one is, what do you think a telebook is, children? A telebook is an electronic book, also known as an e-book. Okay. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Margie's school was in her house. And where was it? It was a room next to her bedroom. She studied by herself and she had no classmates at all. She had to study by herself, isn't it? What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn, children? Margie and Tommy learnt a lot of subjects like geography, history and mathematics. All these three only are mentioned in the lesson. Next is, What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy had? Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers, and all the lessons were preloaded, isn't it? On different, the computers were preloaded, and they had to learn from the computers. What did Margie's mother, why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Why did she call the county inspector? Margie's mother called the county inspector to check Margie's teacher as it had a problem. Margie's, the computer had a problem, isn't it? So, the county inspector was called. And what did he do? The inspector reset the geography sector to Margie's level, because it was more than what she had to study, more than her level, more than her standard. So, what did he do? He came and reset it. And then, why was Margie doing badly in geography, children? And what did the county inspector do to help her? Margie was doing badly in her geography tests as the teacher had developed a fault. It was not her fault, it was the teacher's fault, isn't it? So, what did he do? He reset the teacher to Margie's level. Okay, the next one is, what had once happened to Tommy's teacher? You remember? Once Tommy's teacher had developed a fault as the entire section on history had been deleted. The whole history portion, that sector was totally deleted. So, it took around 1 month for him to get back the system. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Yeah, Margie studied at the same time every day, and except for Saturdays and Sundays, all the other days at the same time. If she had to sit at 9 o'clock, she used to go at 9 o'clock and sit near, in front of the computer. And her mother was very particular about Margie's studies, so she used to call her correctly. How does Margie describe the old kind of school? How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Tommy said that the old kind of schools had who? Human teachers who gave them homework, asked questions, and they were also knowledgeable as the machine teachers. Yes. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? He said that the old teachers were human beings, and they were not what? They were not machines. Okay, children. Now see, next is, answer the following with reference to the story. Reference to context it is. Okay, there will be a line given and questions based on that will be asked. You have to answer. I wouldn't throw it away. Who says this, you think? I wouldn't throw it away. Who says this? Yeah, Tommy says this. What is he talking about? He is talking about the book. That comes on the computer screens. And then what does it refer to? It refers to the computer screen on which Tommy reads various books. Then what is it being compared with by the speaker? What is he comparing it with? He is comparing it with the paper book. That is what is written, isn't it? With the paper book and his computer screen. Okay. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Who does they refer to? They refers to the ancestors of the children who went to school and studied from a human teacher. So, they means it is about their grandfathers, their ancestors they are talking about. What does regular mean here? What is regular? Regular means the mechanical teacher which teaches Margie and Tommy. What is it contrasted with? What is it contrasted with? The mechanical teacher is contrasted with the human teacher, isn't it? Yeah, so this is the reference to context type. Next is the extract based questions. See, a paragraph will be given like this. You can read the paragraph and you can answer the questions. Okay. I will be reading one paragraph, the others will be done by you. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17 May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it and that it had when they read it the first time." So when did Margie write her diary, children? Yeah, it's given over there. It was on 17 May 2157, years later. Okay. What was awfully funny about printed books? What was awfully funny, you think? That is, instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, how was it? It was standing still, it seems. It stood still. So that was awful for them. And then who revealed the information of printed storybooks? Yes, grandfather, isn't it? Yes, grandfather only told about the printed storybooks. Next comes the second paragraph. Why was Margie scornful? She was scornful about the school. So that is what is the paragraph telling you. Why did Margie hate her school, children? Because the mechanical teacher had been giving her what? Test after test in geography. So she did not like. Why was the county inspector sent for? Because the system had a fault. So the county inspector was called. Then the next one is, Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes, isn't it? That paragraph is given. And what school is Tommy talking about, children? Tommy is talking about which school? It is the school where their ancestors went. That is now what the school we are going, isn't it? That kind of a school he is talking about. Opposite of inferior is, see there in the first line, superior. Anyway, they had a teacher. Who is they and teacher in the given line? Who is they? Their ancestors. Okay, and teacher is the human teacher they are talking about. The next one is, a man isn't smart enough. So he is talking about his machine and his father. He is comparing the machine and his father, Tommy. You remember? Yeah. You don't know much. Who said these words? Tommy said this to Margie. Where did the teachers in the old school teach? Where did they teach, children? They taught in the special buildings. Yes. How could students learn the same thing? Students learn the same thing because the kids of the same age were in one class, like how you are. Like all the 9th standard kids of the same age are in 9th grade, isn't it? So the same way. So that is what is the answer for it. Next question is the 5th one. Margie did so with a sigh. Sigh means what? With a deep breath. Yeah. What did Margie like about the old school? What did she like? She liked that togetherness, isn't it? They all helped each other, they all worked with each other, they talked with each other, but whereas what are they doing now? They are all alone, yes, they are all alone. So that she liked from the old school. Why did Margie sigh? Margie sighed thinking of the her ancestors, her grandfather's school. What was the advantage of the old school according to Margie? The advantage of the old school was the fun they had. So working together, playing together, talking together, and then listening together, all this was real fun she felt. Next is, we are going to see to the long answer. All these while you were seeing the extract based and then short answer type, okay, and this is the long answer that we are going to see. What are the main features of the mechanical teacher and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy had in the story? See, this is all the answers that we discussed in the beginning, right? All those answers put together will become the long answer for it. See, Margie and Tommy were taught by whom? Mechanical teachers. They had the lessons on the screen, and then the lessons were followed by the questions. The students had to insert homework and test papers where? In the slots, and then they had to work in a punch code, that is the computing language, and the mechanical teacher checked the papers and immediately gave them the marks. And then the classrooms were the students' home itself, so you can write on your own. If you know the points, the key points you can take and you can write on your own. Every student studied from their mechanical teacher, and then each teacher was adjusted according to the level of the learner, isn't it? They had no classmates, and then they studied various subjects like geography, history and mathematics. And then what else? Except Saturdays and Sundays, Margie studied every day. And then her mother thought that it is better for her to learn every day, so she will learn more. Okay, so the learning process was mechanical, dull and boring for them. And see the second question, why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Why did she think? See, it's again a repeated answer, because it was fun. They had she's talking about her type of schools, that is the future schools. There was no fun, she says. Mechanical teachers always, nothing new was there, no fun, no laughter. Okay, and then Margie performed bad in geography due to the machine's fault. And then the county inspector, what did he do? He rectified it. And she hated the homework and test papers to be inserted in the slots. All this is her type of school. But what did she like in the schools, the ancestor schools, that is her grandfather's schools? She thought that the children in the past must have had fun going to school together. They discussed together the studies, okay? They helped each other, and teachers were all what? Humans. They would not behave like machines, isn't it? The human aspect of education in the past made her feel that the school of the past were fun. Yes, children. So I think I have revised the whole chapter very well, and hope you all understood, isn't it? And you can learn the answers, and see these long answers are can be very easily written if you just know the points, okay? And you have to know proper sentence formation, that's very important anyway. So you have to learn to write on your own. That is why I have not given the first answer, okay? So I think I've done everything. Thank you.